Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Baker Creek Seed Company seed haul to show you. It is currently the end of November. I'm not going to put a date on this, but I just want to take a second and say holy crud. Their packages are just absolutely gorgeous this year. So one other thing, I have also been perusing on Amazon and I found these. And pumpkins are one of the things that we are going to be growing this year. We're going to be doing the Three Sisters, and you'll be able to see that later on next year when it becomes planting season outside. So let's go ahead and dig into our Baker Creek seed haul here. All right, is that all of it? Yep, that is all of it. Now this is kind of a smaller haul. I've been taking my time because I've been going through and organizing and looking at what we already have, and then I'm going to be picking up the seeds that we don't already have. And right off the bat, I'm really liking the free seed packet that you get. This is fantastic. Sunny yellow carrot hails from Uzbekistan and is popular across Central Asia with its big, broad taproot. This variety is easy to grow with a range of soils. Fine-grained, crispy, sweet, and juicy. It's perfect for traditional Uzbek pilaf. Nice. Okay, so really excited to see how this one's going to turn out. Next, we have the poblano pepper. Corey and I really enjoy these. And as you can see, these seed packets are packed for the 2022 season, even though it is still 2021, which I think is fantastic. So poblano peppers, we try to grow these. Oh, goodness, we did it a few years back, and it did okay. But this year, we're really hoping to grow quite a few more of these plants, and they are really good when you make tamales. They're really good inside the tamales. Our next one is Pepper King of the North. Blocky fruit are well flavored when picked green or red, early and superb for the north. Yields crisp green bells, ripening to red right up until frost. So we were really pleased with the purple peppers that we had from last year, and these are supposed to be bigger, quite substantially larger. And so yes, we are definitely there again, looking forward to getting these in the ground next year. The anticipation for spring is killing me, and it's not even December yet. So we do grow quite a few different varieties of radish, and I decided to go ahead and add this one to the mix. Radish D18 Jours. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right or not. Unbelievably rapid yields. French heirloom radish will yield roots in 18 days under ideal conditions. So these are supposed to go, sounds like these are supposed to go into the ground, and then 18 days later you have radishes. This is going to be really interesting, and I'm definitely planning on posting a video just specifically surrounded around this particular radish. Love beets, bull's blood beets, tasty heirloom beets with rings inside, sweet and delicious. I can't talk today. Reddish purple leaves too. So beets are something that we are wanting to grow more of, and these really sounded like they would be a good addition to the garden. Now this is another one that I'm extremely excited about. This is, and I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that, but my understanding of this, and correct me in the comments if you know for a fact that I'm wrong, this squash will grow on a trellis, so it can be used in vertical growing. An Italian heirloom, these are rich, dark green, round, and very flavorful, perfect for home or market. So yeah, I'm really excited to check these out. And we have a variety of carrot called Oxheart. These are supposed to be obviously shorter and wider than, for example, the carrots you get at the grocery store. This is known as, oh, good Lord, I'm not even going to attempt that. In France, introduced to the U.S. in the late 19th century, massive heart-shaped roots to 1 pound each. Despite their massive size, the brilliant orange roots are crisp, sweet, and mild. And it says it's a great keeper. Cool. So, yeah, definitely, there again, looking forward to that. The next package that we got was the New England Sugar Pie Pumpkin. This will go in with our other 2 varieties of pumpkins. And by the way, this is actually, if you don't know it by the name Fairy Tale, you might know this variety by the name Cinderella, because that's what some people do call that one. So between these 3 varieties of pumpkins, I'm really thinking that we are going to have a great year for pumpkins. Plenty of pumpkins coming out our ears, but we have chickens, and chickens really like pumpkins. So this is the traditional New England variety offered by Fearing Burr in 1863. Orange fruit weighs 4 to 5 pounds. They have fine, sweet flesh, superb for pies. Yes, definitely. Okay, marjoram. This is one that I have not actually come across in a pot yet. So we're going to try and start it from seed this year. This is a fragrant and flavorful herb that is a popular seasoning, and it says that it's very easy to grow. So yeah, most definitely am looking forward to that. And last but not least, in this haul we have a black Hungarian pepper. Ornamental and delicious Hungarian heirloom pepper, unique black fruit, shaped like a jalapeno, mildly hot, and it has a delicious flavor. I do a lot of pickled peppers for Corey, and I figured this one might be an interesting addition to the bunch. Okay, so that is my Baker Creek seed haul, the first one for 2022. I'm going to throw these back in here. So yeah, now I think it's time to go through my seeds again and get these put away and see if there's anything else that we feel like we need to purchase for next year's huge garden. So that's going to be it for today. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.